Good morning.
Good
You
morning.
had your abdominoplasty done. You had a huge hernia. It's called ventral hernia. You had the umbilical hernia, separation of the muscle after pregnancy. And what do you think about your recovery? And I did a core abdominoplasty, putting all of this together, repair your ventral hernia, umbilical hernia. Tell me about your recovery and how was it?
I'm amazed how quickly, how fast my body recovered and how fast my body is healing. And 10 days, I can't believe that 10 days after, I'm almost, if not 100%, but 80% back to my normal self. And I can do my daily tasks. This is absolutely amazing. And the results are very impressive too. I also noticed that my back is not as tight as it was before, because I always seen I'm working on my feet all the time. I always felt pressure on my back. Now I don't feel that pressure as much as I felt before the surgery.
And a few days ago was Thanksgiving, and you did cook for your family.
I cooked for my family, and
Which was about a week after your surgery.
it was yes, it was Friday, exactly a week after my surgery. And the next day, on Saturday, I even went to Madison Square Garden for hockey game with my family, and I was
My
cheering.
God.
Yes,
Okay.
I was.
So although I put all of this muscle together, your recovery was very smooth, it wasn't bad, and you could get back to normal activity because you have a lot of layer of the repair in your abdominal muscle.
Yes.
So this is core abdominoplasty, which is going to inform other people who are going to have this procedure, are going to think about it.
Yes, I highly recommend it, and I can't thank enough the doctor and the whole team. It's amazing, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.